Hi guys, in this video, we will present our lab activity number 4 entitled Logic Lights Control. The objectives of this activity are to implement conditional logic in Arduino programming, to read multiple digital inputs and respond with specific output combinations, and to test the code in both simulation and actual hardware. The problem statement is as follows. Create a program that will set output pins 10 and 13 if pin 0 is logic 1, set pins 11 and 12 if pin 1 is logic 1, and set pins 10 and 12 if pin 2 is logic 1, and set pins 11 and 13 if pin 3 is logic 1. If all inputs are logic or at a low state, all output pins from 10 to 13 must be cleared. Here is the Arduino code we created to solve the problem. First, we define input pins 2 to 5 using pin mode in the setup function. Since pin 0 of Arduino is TX and RX, so we used pin 2 to 5 instead of 0 to 3. Then, we define output pins 10 to 13. In the loop section, we check each input one by one using digital read. Depending on which input is high, we activate the corresponding output pins and turn off the rest. You can see the full code below. So let's verify it if there's something wrong in our code. Before implementing this in the actual, we first tested the code in Aperteo simulation. So let's put 4 push buttons and 220 resistors and connect the other leg of buttons to positive supply, then the other side of resistors to negative supply. After that, connect pins of 2 to 5 of the Arduino to the push buttons and 4 LEDs to pins 10 to 13. Now, let's upload the code to see if it is working. Just follow the video. So let's play the simulation. As you can see, when I press the button that connected to pin 2, the LED of pin 10 and 13 turns on. Then when I press the second button which is connected to pin 3, the LED to pin 11 and 12 turns on. And when I press the button that connected to pin 4, the LED of pin 10 and 12 turns on. And lastly, it turns on the LED of pin 11 and 13 when I press the button that connected to pin 5. So now let's test it on the breadboard. So here are the materials needed. Arduino Uno board, breadboard, 4 LEDs, connecting wires, 4 push buttons, and 8 220 ohms resistors. Now, let's construct the circuit. First, put 4 push buttons on the breadboard and 4 LEDs. Then connect each LEDs and push buttons with two 20 ohm resistors. Then connect all the other side of or leg of push button to the ground. Connect the other side of resistors that connected to the push buttons to the pin 2 to 5 of Arduino Uno and 4 LEDs to pin 10 to 13. After constructing the circuit, let's upload the code. It is clear that our circuit construction and code are both correct. In conclusion, this activity helped us understand how to work with multiple inputs and outputs using conditional logic. We successfully simulated and tested our code both virtually and physically. Thank you for watching our presentation.